Morning traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System at the open. In front of you, very powerful reminder. When you trade with the system, your trading day can be done within seconds, within minutes. At the bold green line, it's not about an option to short, the only option to buy. Right now, intelligent trader who took this trade, understanding all the risks involved, moving the trail very, very close. Key moment now. Intelligent trader knows this. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision. Intelligent trader understands market open, extremely aggressive move. That's it. So here's a gift from mom of 2 little babies at home. This is the reason Jennifer saying such kind and beautiful words. 23 points before market open on Nasdaq. Stunning, incredible work by intelligent trader. That's it. Her workday is done well before market open. Only if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. This is it. This is software. This is system in front of you every single day. If you do not obey this as a target, success is not possible. We discussed all of this with students well before market open. So if Jennifer does this with 2 little babies on her hands trading Nasdaq, so can you. Ultimate precision during extremely aggressive move. No speculation, no gambling here. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. Software converted to 1-minute charts. We discussed all of this with students pre-market. This is the only option. There is nothing else that's possible currently. I can convert software to any chart. You see instantly precision. You understand. You can trade the system on any instrument you choose. But when the bold green line is present, number 1, you cannot short. Your only option to buy. Scanner giving you alerts. Obey the rules. Place trade correctly with precise entry, stop and target. That's it. This is the only option, nothing else this morning. Your trading day is done. Target RZ means reversal zone. So price collapses all the way down, it's a gift. It's a beautiful news. We still remain at the green zone. Intelligent trader knows this. Timing, the open, to be respected, to be obeyed. But this is again and again and again reminder. Long orders sitting waiting for the open are being filled. That's it. Market been open 3 minutes this morning. This is the reason system traded globally in US and Canada, in Australia, in London, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia. You decide. Do you want to trade S&P? Do you want to trade oil? Choice is yours. Oil news this morning next. So intelligent trader understands if price collapses completely from reversal zone, it already pulled back instantly 5 points. No one is surprised. So if you took this trade this morning, your trading day is done. So what is 4 points on S&P? 1 lot $200, 10 lots $2,000, 20 lots $4,000. On S&P you can trade exponential lot size, correct? This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. Software converted to 1 minute for the trading room only. Multiple trades played out this morning. And that's the system you can trade on any instrument you choose. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess. This is ultimate precision. This is rule-based system at its best. So every single morning prior to the market open, we discussed with students preparation for your trade defines at least 70% of your success. This is your trading range this morning. Intelligent trader knows this. Nothing else is possible, only this. That's it. RZ means expect reversal. And when I'm looking on the latest emails I received, what do you see from Richard's email? Richard trading options. He's not trading NASDAQ as day trader. Completely different style of trading. Jennifer has zero interest in options. Jennifer is a day trader. Every single trader's brain wired completely differently. The one who loves options is not programmed to day trade. But as Richard shares, if you add all of the deposits since November, within 3 months, he generated profits of 114,000, which is annual income over 600,000. Can you do that? Are you designed to trade options? Here are a few statements from Richard. Or are you a day trader? Day traders have zero interest in options. They programmed completely different than Richard. Of course, everyone wants to day trade because everyone wants money now. But you define if you can be a sniper. You define if psychological test every single day is for you. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Obey the rules, and the skies are the limit. You decide what you want to trade. And those are very few emails I'm sharing with you right now. Prior, Theo stopped by sharing his trading pound dollar. James also loves options. Every day is different. Every trader defines what's appropriate for him and her. Obey the rules and the sky's the limit. It's black and white every single day. So identical price action as you're witnessing on S&P is what played out on Bitcoin for the last 2 years. As Bitcoin traded globally, of course, it's identical reversal zone where Bitcoin sold off from 65%, and you knew this months in advance. This never gets sold, I promise. 85,000 on Bitcoin? Of course you can. Theo has done that. So if I take you back on Bitcoin, as S&P doing exact same thing right now, here's a Bitcoin a year ago before sell-off. You knew that Bitcoin would crash and burn from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You did not speculate, you did not gamble. You understood extremely clearly that price will sell off from reversal zone if it's global convention in Miami or not. December 2020. Here's Bitcoin before sell-off. One step at a time. Key level first, this level to follow. One step at a time. It's a reversal zone, not the place to buy into, months ahead. And when Bitcoin does this, and Tesla does this, and Apple does this, you are not surprised. You don't have to wait for months and years to see precision of the system traded by hedge funds globally. I just came back from Dubai. You know this months and months ahead. That's it. Choice is yours. If it's Bitcoin or S&P or stocks or options you want to trade. Do you know what to do on Bitcoin right now? We're back to reversal zone. Pull back lower, pretty please. Will be a beautiful thing. S&P have done this in front of you. Now, this is precision. Every single second in day trading on S&P mini future. This is entirely different. Risk management, entirely different trade hold time. But if I take you to Tesla, it's exact same thing. And you knew this reversal? $400 per share many months in advance. Let's go back to Tesla, shall we? As S&P at key level in pain, intelligent trader knows this clearly. Tesla a year ago. Did you know that Tesla heading here one step at a time? All precise. What kind of trader are you? You decide. All of the details in tomorrow's live class, all of the details in hundreds and hundreds of videos posted in member area. Oil news is next. So here's oil traders institutional chart. How oil skyrocketed from ultimate bottom is a stunning reminder of what you're witnessing on S&P this morning. Oil no longer the bottom, oil at institutional top. So if oil crashing and burning, it's not good for Saudi Arabia. It's not. We're economy based on oil. If oil collapses, it's a beautiful news. Bearish news is a gift for US trader, for intelligent, solid, strategic position trader. If oil remains stuck and news is bullish, it's not a good news. And here where we zoom in on day trading. Bullish rally on oil overextended, oil extremely high. Despite extremely bullish news on oil, oil sold off. It's a reversal zone, and it's not your little baby level. It's institutional sell zone. This is your critical trading range on oil before oil news. I will convert this chart to 1 before oil news. Again, institutional sell zone is here. Again, day trading support is here. Again, this is S&P, reminding you clearly to the tick. This is reversal zone right now. On little day trading chart, this is your trading range. Nothing else is possible, only this. That's it. It never ends. To read emails from my students. So when James shared that he could have saved nearly $200,000 if he took the course years ago, that's it. This is how you save money. By becoming intelligent, intentional trader. You want to be top 1%? Stop doing what 99% does. If JP Morgan traders, whom I coach. Do not chase cheap indicators. Why do you? Complete beginner Pablo knows that. That's it. Making 307 points on Nasdaq. Can you do that? Every trader, different account. Every trader, different background. Obey the rules, and the skies are the limit. That's it. Oil news is next. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done in your life. You would be joining a global community of traders who are trading the system since 2011. You can always view the system in the trading room, but it's all self-explanatory on the homepage. If you're done losing money, if you're done chasing indicators, if you're done being majority, and you're ready to become top 1%, I look forward to working with you. This is a lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with multi-market scanner, live classes, live trading room, video library, and modules. So please listen to podcasts and understand why Emmanuel brought his wife Jennifer to the course, whose email you saw first. View students' performance and choose from option appropriate for you. Group course, lifetime system for all platform on Ninja Trader 8 with video library modules available to you. Private mentoring, speak with me first. I have only one space left. Private mentoring booked weeks and weeks ahead. Group course, video library, live classes, all included in this package. So please, view emails I receive as these are updated. If you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again and again and again, this is rule-based system. Do not buy into reversal zone. You witness this every single day. But you can trade it on Tesla. You can trade it on Bitcoin. You can trade it on all instruments as long as you obey the rules. Thank you so much, traders. Let's take a break before oil news.